Felt that rush, that caught up rushing forward, never lesser of despair, fighting that conveyor's core. Despite this rush of splinters, these crying hearts parade discoveries again, driftwood of a visitation of morn flowers true, left inclination of hours softened you, some kind bird watched over until a blow of fields of morning's new, music of lovers arriving before and after, and found in between sounds replenishing one. And parade waterfall eyes I've dreamt straight through, waterfall eyes shamelessly feel. Okay, thank you everybody.